What's up, guys? My name's Ryan and this is 77 Rockets Woodworking, and in this video I'm going to show you some easy ways to make these. Make them any way you want. For gifts for the holidays, sell online, marketplace, you name it. The world is your oyster. Let's go! So what's up, guys? As you can see, I have a ton of coasters here, and you can really design these differently however you want. Some walnut ones right here. So basically the dimension that I like to go is 3.5 by 3.5. I feel like that works best for me, and the stock is 3/4. Double check. Fuzz over 3/4. So you just cut these down using the table saw and the miter saw, and then I like to join one side because this is already surfaced, but I like to make sure that this is square. So I'll run it through my joiner, as you can see over here, one side, and then I run it through my table saw just to get my 3.5, and then I head over to the miter saw station and I cut this. So this one is a combo profile. So the top, I went with a round over bit like this, so you can use this bit, and whatever this bit shows, it's reverse on here, as you can see. And then the other one, this other side, is a chamfer. That's the bit I use in reverse, as you can see. But this one right here, I'm going to display this right here, and I have it hooked up to my little Colt router. Is a Roman OG style bit, kind of like the one that I used on my face frame. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I do these. Quick, easy, simple, and you can give them for holiday gifts and sell them online if you would prefer. Here we go. And I'll hit the edges first. Now on these, you could do these a few different variations, but the one that I'm doing is I have them set on my benchtop cookies, Rockler benchtop cookies, for those of you who are interested in those. And I keep a firm grip with my left hand, and then I slowly guide the router, and I'll go over it a few times, generally, just so I can get the profile that I want. And I start with the edges and go real nice and slow, just so there's not a lot of tear out, and then I'll make my way to go along with the grain side. Wow, guys, look at those. Now the cool thing about gifts like these and selling items like these are quick and easy to make. All you gotta have is the right tools. Not very time consuming, and as you can see, they come out real nice. I haven't really sanded these much, but they'll definitely pop a lot more with some finish and a little sanding. But yeah, came out good nonetheless. Nice little holiday gift. And if you want to sell online or at markets, these things I'm sure would sell out like crazy. My name is Ryan, and this has been 77 Rockets Woodworking. See you on the next one. Hey guys, just want to thank you for joining me on this video. If you haven't already and you like this content, hit that subscribe button and like and possibly share. We'll see you on the next one.